So we have these toothbrush replacement heads they sent to us so that we could try them out, because we do have a Sonicare toothbrush that fits that style there. And what I like here is that they come in two different colors. You got the ones with the green on the bottom, and then you have the ones with the lavender on the bottom, so that you could tell them apart if you have more than one person with the same style of toothbrush. We happen to have two different styles of Sonicare. So toothbrushes, so it doesn't really matter because we can tell the difference. Purple. You want the purple? Okay. All right. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to replace the toothbrush head off of the old one here. And you can see it's kind of like mushed down a little bit and stuff like that. Yeah, and I've already cleaned off the gookies that are around here with the sanitizing wipes and stuff. I've already cleaned that up a little bit, so we don't have to look at all the gookies there. But you want lavender?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's a lavender one. Oh, that one's all smushed up already. It got kind of not very well packaged, I'd say. This one here is much better. Okay. So this one here has the lavender, and you can see on the bottom there's kind of a little bit of a D hole there, and then the little pin on the toothbrush itself is shaped in that kind of a flat on one side and rounded on the other. So you just line that up like that. Of course, you could also just line it up by putting the toothbrush head towards the buttons. That would be smart too.
Yeah, there you go.
And then it has the cap on it that just comes straight down over the head, which we like better than the ones that just go from front to back, because those tend to get knocked off easier in our experience. So these ones that have the full cap that go over it, those are much, much nicer and stuff. So this is from Relax Artists. They sent these to us so we could show them to you. And
I'm going to try it out.
You get to try it out. Okay. I'm going to take the cap off and give you your toothbrush.
Put a little bit of water on there. Okay. And I'll tell you a little hint. If you're visually impaired and you want to use your toothbrush and put toothpaste on it, don't do it. Just put the toothpaste in your mouth from the tube and just have your own separate tube.
That's what blind people do, or at least that's what this blind people does.
It makes it so much easier. Okay, I'm going to try it. See how this one feels.
New toothbrush head. It's always fun and exciting to get a new toothbrush head because it just feels really, really good in your mouth.
I'm going to tell you right now, it feels really good, high quality. I don't feel like any of the bristles are falling out.
We've had off-brand replacement heads where they did, like the bristles were just falling out the first time we used them and stuff.
But this feels really good.
This is not that brand. This is really
good. And I like the way it's shaped because it really gets your back teeth back there.
Good.
And feels good on my gums, not too hard of bristles. So yeah,
good stuff. Awesome. We like it.